What's up, Xiaomi fans? Christian here. Welcome back to All About Me. What we have here is the Dreame T20 vacuum cleaner. It's a handheld vacuum cleaner and it's not out in the market yet. This is a pre-production model. It's a prototype and it's currently being funded via Indiegogo. So if you check the description on the link below, I have a link that goes to the Indiegogo campaign for the Dreame T20 Cordless vacuum cleaner. So this will be available, or they will start shipping starting November this year. So current backers, there are already 3,500 at the time of this video, and the campaign has 12 days left. So make sure you check that out to get the special price. So as of now, the special price is at 34% off, which is $229 for early bird pre-order, and there are only 9 left. So I'm not sure if you can get it. So let's dive in and test this Dreame T20. And currently this is a prototype or the pre-production model, so I don't have all the accessories. So let me show you what I have and show you also what you'll be getting once you order this product. So let's go. Price starts at $219 for early bird, but it's limited, so make sure you check out the link I have in the description. It has a 150 air watt suction power with a 125,000 RPM motor speed. The battery life is up to 70 minutes and its bin capacity is 0.6 liters. The main body weighs 1.7 kg and it can intelligently adjust power. It has LCD display and the battery is removable, so you can get an extra battery pack so that you can have extended cleaning times. And also its wall-mounted charging dock can charge the main battery as well as the spare battery. It has 5-stage filtration system, so there's no secondary pollution. And it has a 12-cone cyclone separator, which works at 99.97 dust filtering efficiency. And there are 4 cleaning modes. And the auto mode will activate once you install the extension rod and the all-surface brush. And there are more than 20 status indicators from the display. And here are some of the accessories. We have the mite removal brush, which you can use it for sofas, pillows, mattress. And for my case, I use it to clean my son's play gym and his crib and some of his toys actually. And we have the 2-in-1 brush, which is used for keyboards, curtains, mattress, car seat, and so much more. And we have the crevice nozzle, so you can use this to reach those hard corners that's difficult to clean. And we have the extension hose, which you can use it for the 2-in-1 brush or the crevice nozzle to make it more flexible. At the time of this video, I don't have all the accessories, but these are the ones that will be included in the box. You can also get an extra battery for extended cleaning times. And just a single press to empty the dustbin. And for care and maintenance, it's very easy to remove the dust compartment, the cyclone assembly, the pre-filter, as well as the HEPA filter. So these are washable, but make sure before you put it in, you dry it for full 24 hours. and putting it back is as easy as well. So just have to snap it back in, including the cyclone assembly, the pre-filter, and the dust compartment back to the main body. Alright, so what do I think? Well, there's 2 minutes to mention. First, you'll get more than what you pay for. Definitely it's worth every penny or even more. And the display feature is dope. So you'll have more than 20 of that status indicators. And the battery option, or the swappable battery, is a game changer because you get extended cleaning time, especially if you have a bigger house to clean, and it's powerful. It's more than enough power to clean most of the household items. The extra accessory option is also very good. You can get the extra soft brush with a mop extension, and the charging and storage mount, it's also I like it very much because you can charge an extra battery and the main device all together. So let me know what you think. You can leave down your comments below. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video.